There is a place to get away, a place you come to play, a place where the good times come easily. There is a place where a winter morning produces the same joy as a summer night. A place pouring in history, an essential part of the American West, with a persona distinctly its own. Nestled between two mesas, astride a river, lush with trails, parks, and breweries. A place at the center of growth, bursting with love, illuminating with creativity. There is a place for the adventurous ones, the thrill seekers, jump takers, dice rollers, and taste makers. A place where Zen complements vigor. A place known for its crafteds, cultivateds, and most of all, authentics. There is a place passionate as any that will make you feel free, unbelievably welcome, as if you were part of the family. There is a place we call home, a place we love, a place that welcomes you, a place called Golden. Find your perfect day in Golden, Colorado.